Hannah from Dirt Road Dancing here, and today we're going to be learning Countdown. It's a 32 count 4-wall dance with 1 tag. If you have yet to subscribe to our channel, click the link below, and I know that you're counting down the seconds to learn this dance, so let's go. All right, so the first 8 count. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what my boots are doing. You're gonna do 2 wizard steps. You're gonna start with your right foot, left, right, this one. You're gonna take a step forward with the right, then you're going to place with the left, then right. So it's gonna go left, right. You're gonna take a step with that left foot forward again for left, then right, left, for place, place. You're gonna take a step forward. You're gonna do a rock step forward, back. You're gonna do a 3/4 turn, turning over your right shoulder. So you're gonna place with the right, left, face on the right, okay? Let's try that out with some counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so we're gonna go to our second set of 8 counts. So we landed with our right foot, we did our 3/4 turn. So if we're looking at the clock, you're gonna be facing your left, and you're gonna have your right foot forward. You're gonna take a step with the left foot and clap, step with the right foot, clap. So you're gonna go step, clap, step, clap. You're gonna do a rock recover on the left foot. So you're going to go left, right, and then over your left shoulder for a triple step. Now make sure that you end on the left foot, okay? Let's put some counts behind that. We just ended with our right foot. You're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, now that you got the first 2 sets of 8 count, let's put them together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so for our third set of 8 counts, you landed on your 3 o'clock wall with your weight on your left foot. You're gonna do 2 kickball changes with the right. So that's gonna look like kickball change, or right, right, left, right, right, left. 2 of those. Then you're going to do a quarter, then a half turn. What that's gonna look like is you did our kickball change. Make sure you land on the left foot with all of your weight. You're gonna take the right foot, you're gonna do the quarter turn, facing the first wall that you started at. Then you're gonna put your weight on the right foot. Make sure you put the weight here so that you can bring your left foot and swing all the way around to your half, okay? So now that we addressed the feet, we're gonna address the hips. We just did our kickball change. You're going to take your quarter and you're gonna go right, left, right. Make sure the weight's on the right foot. Swing the left back. And then you're going to go left, right, left. Let's try that out with some counts. We just ended at our 3 o'clock wall. We're gonna do 2 kickball changes. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, we're gonna put the first 24 counts together. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what my boots are doing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so our fourth set of 8 counts. This one's a little bit tricky because you're gonna be doing walls within walls, which means you're gonna just be turning all over the place if you don't know what you're doing. That's okay, I got you. So we ended our last 8 count with our left, right, left shake. I am gonna be turning around so you can see what my feet are doing, and I'll be over here, okay? So we just did our left, right, left. You're gonna be doing a grapevine, pivot turn to a coaster step. If you don't know what that is, that's okay. We're about to walk through it, okay? So, you're gonna take your right foot out and we're gonna do it 4 counts at a time. This one's a little bit crazy. So you're gonna take your right foot, you're gonna go out for the right, back with the left, back out with the right, making a quarter turn. You're gonna take your left foot, you're gonna take a step on it, but don't put your weight on it. You're gonna be on your toes, so you're going to turn all the way back where you came from, okay? Let's try that with counts. We just did our shakes, our left, right, left. Gonna go out, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, pivot, 4. Okay? So the second count of this 8 count, you just pivoted for 4, and you're gonna have your weight on your right foot. You're gonna take the left foot, you're gonna take a step forward, but you're gonna be doing a half turn. So you're gonna take a step forward with the left and place your weight on the left foot, so you're going backwards. Then you're gonna take your step with your right foot, take a step back, and coaster step. That'll be left, right, left. So you'll go left, right, left. I'm gonna walk through that one more time before we add some counts. We just did our step pivot, weights on the right foot, take a step with the left, half turn, right foot back, coaster step, left, right, left. Let's add some counts to that last portion. So we just did our 1, 2, 3, pivot, 4, step 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, pivot, 4, 5, half, 6, coaster, 7, and 8. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wizard, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, pivot, 4, 5, 6, coaster, 7, and 8. We're gonna do it more up the tempo. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a couple little tidbits. I personally like to do 2 claps for the step clap. So, I just did our rock, back, 3/4 turn. Some people will go step, clap, clap. Totally up to you, this is your dance, okay? All right, it's time to talk about the tag. It's going to be towards the end of the song, and you're gonna start on your 9 o'clock wall. Now, what it is you're gonna do the first 3 8 counts. You're gonna get everything up to your shake, shake. So you're not gonna do your turning grapevine. We're gonna do it together, but the tag is 4 counts. Super easy. What you're gonna do, you're gonna stomp with your right foot, stomp with the left foot, and you're gonna shake, shake. If you want to shake, shake, you can shake right, left. Now, styling is always up to interpretation. You can body roll, you could drop it like it's hot, you can do whatever your heart desires, okay? So, let's do the entire tag together. We're gonna do the first 3 8 counts. Everybody face your left wall or your 9 o'clock wall. From the top, first 3 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag. Right, left, shake, shake. Then you're gonna start over. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. All right, now that you've learned the dance, congratulations, that one was hard. Go ahead and click the link above if you're ready to stomp it out.